ability for hemoglobin to oxygenate as the pH drops or increase in acidity. Hypoxia. How about high altitude? Sabi dito, high altitude increases the synthesis of 2,3-BPG, causing a right shift to the curve, shift to the right of the O2 biometer. So pag mababa ang oxygen, di ba mababa ang oxygen sa high altitude? So tendency nun daw magkakaroon ng kabit. So shift to the right. Punta, ilan mas marami daw kasi. Kasi walang oxygen. Ang hirap ito. Kasi yun na lang. Pag high altitude chronic hypoxia, since low O2 yan, tendency ng hemoglobin mo mapagbigay. Okay, so decrease affinity, meaning shift to the right. Temperature also can decrease affinity for O2, thereby promoting O2 unloading because of the accelerated metabolism that accompanies. Okay?
To the right there.
So, okay na tayo sa dalawang factors ay actually apat. BPG, temperature, pH, and structure of hemoglobin. Yun yung factors that can affect oxygen binding to hemoglobin.
Ang sarap ng ice cream na ginawa natin.
Hopefully clear yun, no? So, clear na rin itong role of hemoglobin in CO2 transport. I hope clear na rin siya. Now,